lack thereof. Got to pay close attention because there will be a quiz. I grade pretty hard. The old world, when your race was run, it all went to the eldest son. What's the poor second son to do but join up with the common man, set sail for the promised land, across the mighty ocean blue? And they made us who we are, so let's wave those stripes and stars for the sons of the second son, products of genocide, polishing up their guns, righteous and justified, and the sons of the peasantry, thinking they're finally free, the sons of the faithful serfs, salt of the blessed earth, in search of a master. For a while we did okay, but looking back it seemed that way. Tried to put our best foot down. We left tracks in the lunar dust, did away with the meaner stuff. All could ride at the front of the bus now. We didn't need no Jim Crow car. We thought we'd come so far. Sons of the second son, products of genocide, polishing up our guns, eating that southern pride, and the sons of the peasantry, telling ourselves we're free, sons of the faithful serfs, salt of the blessed earth, in search of a savior. Nowadays we're feeling stressed, it's all for us and damn the rest, telling each other have a blessed day. All camoed up and standing tall, building bombs and border walls, as all collective conscience falls away. And they wave those stars and bars. Is that really who we are? Sons of the second son, products of genocide, polishing up our guns, paying on double wides, and the sons of the peasantry, telling ourselves we're free, sons of the faithful serfs, salt of the blessed earth, in search of a savior. Sons of the second son, products of genocide, polishing up our guns, eating that southern pride, and the sons of the peasantry, telling ourselves we're free, sons of the pagan serfs, salt of the fucking earth, in search of a Caesar.